Hello and welcome to Life Coach for Educators. Today this episode is about the Google Highlighter tool, how to use it, how to access it, and the opportunity for students to interact with the text or writing. This is a great tool in order for students to organize their thoughts, identify patterns, or even just to get the main idea while reading a concept or reading an article or a composition, a paragraph that they have to utilize in their classes. To access Google Highlighter tool, you go to your Google Apps button, which is just to the left of your profile, your icon for your profile. You click on it and you click on Google Docs. In order to create a new Google Doc, you click on Create a New Document, blank, and it comes up. Once that comes up, you click on to the top of your page where you have your toolbar. You click on Add-ons and Highlight Tool and Settings. Once you click on the settings, you will ensure that it's automatically set. If it is already, you close it out and you go back to Add-ons. Once you go to Add-ons, you click on Highlight Tool and Start. So here's a document that I went ahead and I clicked the highlighter, and I can just highlight some more just so you can see how it is used. Google Classroom, I highlight Google Classroom and click Highlight. And any word student, we're going to highlight in yellow just to follow the pattern. And once you're finished with that, we may not catch all of it, but what we will do is go back. The Google Classroom should be in yellow, so we can go back and correct that to yellow highlight. So even if the students make a mistake, they can go back and make their correction. And there's a student right here, or students, and we will put that in green. And we can go back and look. But after you're finishing with your highlighting, you can have the student extract by sequence or by color. I will use by color because I color code certain words or phrases you may have them use while they're using this. And it will extract the information either to a new document or to the current document. I would like it to go to the current document to show what the words are, or concept or theme. And it gives you the Google Classroom. We made a mistake here, so we can go back and fix that. So the students can see that these are the common words, phrases that are occurring throughout the concept, throughout the article that they have read. I hope that this is helpful to you. If this is our Life Coach for Educators would like you to invite you to subscribe to our channel. We would also like you to stop by and comment. Visit us at Life Coach for Educators, our YouTube videos, and we would love to have you stop by. Hope that you're staying safe during this time and that you're eating healthy. Remember, stay safe. Take care.